When I die, dry me out, let my bones be white. You will see, suddenly, as the tide of my flesh recedes, the tiny etchings on my clavicle, my tibula, each vertebrae, all the little poems I wrote to you and swallowed. Stuck in my bloodstream, syllables threading through veins, carefully lodged in bone, emerging line by line under my submerged skin. Text will float from my frame, like embers rising, razor-edged stars of iridescent magic. Here, the ocean holds me. The goddess throws moonlight like a benediction across the hallowed sheets of blue glass. Nothing here but surrender and memory and bone, and you, my love, and you.